You guys want to hear something kind of funny? Where I bought a slipcast mold off of eBay, and it's supposed to be a witch when it's done. I have no idea what I'm doing. I work. You can tell by some of my other videos. I know how to do clay, and I work with clay, but this is my first time doing a slipcast mold. So I ordered it, and then I bought the slip mold that's good for slipcast molds, and I the videos um one of them I saw that said you could take it out within 15 minutes. I let it sit there for 20 minutes, and when I took the top off, I um the it tore a little bit, like a little piece of it tore, and I fixed it, and you couldn't really tell that it was torn at one time because it was still really really wet. It's basically mud. It's a texture. It's like really fine mud, and it comes pre-mixed, or I bought it pre-mixed, and I really like the place I buy it from. It's Continental Clay, and I buy it from the Denver office, and they're really really friendly. It's like when I went in there to go pick it up, I was like, they're like, I'm like, here, I'm here to pick up my order. They're like, what's the name on it? I'm like, oh, and I told them my name, Jacob, and they're like, oh yeah, the slipcast mold guy, or the slipcast. So then they brought it out. It was a 2.5 gallon bucket. Imagine trying to carry a 2.5 gallon bucket of, like, basically mud. Kind of heavy, but I'm gonna in about 12 hours. Oh, I got to pour some more down. But look at I didn't know what I was doing at first. But look at it's they say you're I filled it and it was all the way up to the top, so it's just gone down that far. So I might just leave it because it's supposed to be hollow. Because the skirt is pretty thick, but I'll see you guys back in about 12 hours, and I'll see how it looks in about 12 hours. Hey, I just forgot to take or start recording when I took that mold out, that slip cast that I poured. Here's how it turned out. It still needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but it came out pretty good. So the top's drying faster, the bottom is thicker. But it's kind of heavy, but I hope it still comes out. I'm going to ask about the inside of it, but it came out pretty good. It just needs a little bit of work, a little bit of cleaning up. It looks pretty good though for my first time.